Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the web tech zone. In this video tutorial we're going to learn how to upload documents in Google Docs, how can you upload, how you can share it. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show on my desktop, so let's open the desktop Google Drive. So here I'm on my drive, so let me open my drive. In my drive I have files and folders, so you can see. So if you want to upload documents on Word files, so just click on new here and go to the uploads, uploads file. Then your browser will be open. Now you have to find out the Word file I have. Okay, this file which is Word file, and I can see. Okay, let's go to documents. In documents I have this Word file. Click on open, select and open. It will be upload to your drive, so let it open. Upload first. Okay, it is upload. You can find out this file here, or you can go to the recent, you will find out this file, or you can open directly from here. Just click on it, it will be open. So it will be automatically open in Google Docs. Okay, you can see the file has been opened in Google Docs, which is Word file. Okay, so now you can open it. You can rename it. If you want to rename, just click and you can rename it. Okay, just rename it. You can edit anything. You can edit as per you want. So now if you want to share it, just click on share. Here you can see the share button, and you can upload. You can share with Google Drive only. Enter the personal email ID. You can insert up to 50 email ID here, or make the viewers only, or you can make the permission as editor. Because if you make the editor, means these people can edit your file, they can rename your file, they can make changes in your file. But if you make it viewer only, they can only view. Okay, just send it. After send, this email ID's owner get this file on this tab. Okay, so here this tab for shared file and folder. In this tab you will get all file and folder which shared by others. Okay, so this person get all files and folder in this tab. Okay, so you can also share on link also. Just cancel, and here you can get you can copy the link. You can make the by default is a restricted, but you can change with the any one of this link. So make the permission as a viewer, copy this link, and you can share this link on WhatsApp, email, and anybody want. Okay, so that is how you can upload documents and share it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.